Okay. Hello, family, and welcome back to Didi's African Kitchen. I hope you guys are safe and well. Today, I'm bringing to you Tubani. I hope you know what I'm talking about. It's made out of black-eyed peas in Ghana. It's one of the traditional foods of the north in Ghana. And when I was a kid, I got the chance to go to the north a few times, and this is one of the foods we used to love. It's amazing. I've made this a few times and it's lovely. Literally, you can just find this on the streets of Ghana again, and it's very cheap to buy, at the same time very easy to make. So that's why I'm bringing it to you today. Now, so let's crack on and make Tubani. The ingredients I've got for you are, of course, just flour made from black-eyed peas, and this one they haven't peeled it or anything. It's just the black-eyed peas ground to a powder, and that is this. So that, a bit of salt, a bit of saltpetre, which you can substitute if you've got baking soda. So today I've got saltpetre, kanwa. If you've got this is what I mean, saltpetre. Yeah, that is it. And basically it's got the same properties as baking soda. It's a leavening. Anyway, so I've dissolved some in water here. And this, you're looking for like a thick paste, but at the same time you want it to be fluffy. So we're gonna whisk it. So basically I've put the water, dissolved the saltpetre in, and I'm giving it a little bit of water, and then just gonna mix it to a paste and gradually get it to the consistency we want. The smell of this is amazing. It brings your childhood right back. You want it a bit softer than this. This is a bit tight. A bit softer than this, and then I think we are there. And this leaf is what we cook it with. In Ghana, this is what we serve food on. It's in the bushes everywhere in Ghana. I don't know how to explain it. We eat on. If you buy food from the side of the road, normally this is what they will serve you on. And so we cook this stuff in this. So I will just pop some in there like that, not making a mess. Pop some on it. This will be a big one because it got. So you just turn this side, turn that, and then pop it like that, and then turn that in, turn that on. Well, I didn't turn this one properly. Guys, even I make mistakes. That way, and then pop, and then that way, and then turn this way. Yeah, I'll make until this is finished. Basically, when you're putting them in, you leave a bit of space at the end so that you can, turn this down without it, overflowing. That is it. So, we make the rest and then we'll go and steam it. I will show you how I steam it. So I've been boiling water here. I'm going to steam the stuff. So I've got my steamer here. I just pop it on top here, and then basically carefully put these guys on top. Like that. Yeah. It would be good to do it all the same size so that they all cook at the same time, and then I'll pop the lid on basically like that, and then I'll tell you how long it takes to cook, and then I'll show you when it's cooking how I serve it. Okay, so this has been on here for about 40-45 minutes, and let's have a look. As you can tell, it's looking fabulous. It's all nice and popped because of all that whisking we did to get it ready. And yeah, to serve it, I fried some onions here. Normally it's fried to a proper brown, but no, I like a bit of crunch in mine, so I'm going to leave it as that. And then let's serve this stuff. Oh wow, look at that. Yay. Look at it. Looks fab. Basically, to serve it, you just pop a bit of this chili mix on here, and then some of this onion oil on there. I'll cut in this so that the chili thing goes in there good and proper. Yeah, I tell you, the smells coming out of this is amazing. Baby is shouting, but I'm gonna have a mouthful before I mind her at all. I am terrible. Can't wait, because you see how fluffy this is. It's all that whisking. When you whisk it good, it comes out so bubbly. Yeah. Oh, you are invited. She's made a mess on the floor. She's poured all her food over there. Yeah, this is fabulous, guys. I can't put a word in because my madam is here. As you can see her face, she's been eating pasta. It's all over everywhere. It's on the floor. But my Tubani is ready, and so I am itching to go. Guys, I've brought you Tubani. It's easy to make. It doesn't take much ingredients to make this. So why don't you make yours and enjoy? You can see this is yummy. Try yours and you come to thank me later. Thanks for joining me again. Stay safe.